In this video, we will do exercise 9.5, question number 5 to 8 of chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Now let us continue exercise 9.5, question number 5. Show that sum number first, 3x plus 7 the whole square minus 84x equals to 3x minus 7 the whole square. Now dear student, here we have to equalize both the side. We have to balance both the side. Let us see. So let us do left hand side first, that is 3x plus 7 the whole square minus 84x. Now as we all know the identity, that is a plus b the whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here also this 3x you considered as a and 7 as b. So 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x plus 7, that is 2 into a into b plus 7 the whole square minus 84x as it is. Then 3x square gives 9x square plus 2 3 are 6, 6 7 are 42, 42x plus square of 7 is 49 minus 84x as it is. Then 9x square as it is, 42x minus 84x, that is you have to do addition and subtraction of common variable. So 42x minus 84x is 42x plus 49 as it is. Now we got 9x square minus 42x plus 49 for our left hand side. Now let us solve our right hand side and see whether both sides have equal value. That is value of right hand side, that is 3x minus 7 whole square gives, that is you have to apply that a minus b the whole square identity, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So square of 3x minus 2 into 3x into 7 plus 7 the whole square. So 3x square gives 9x square minus 2 3 are 6, 6 7 are 42, 42x plus square of 7 is 49. So value of right hand side is 9x square minus 42x plus 49, and check whether same value we have toward our left hand side. Yes, both the values are same, so we can say that left hand side equals to right hand side. Now let us check next question. 9p minus 5q square plus 180pq equals to 9p plus 5q square. Let us solve left hand side first. 9p minus 5q whole square plus 180pq. So use identity, that is 9p square minus 2 9p into pq plus 5q square plus 180pq as it is. Then 9 square of 9p is 81p square, 2 5s are 10, 10 9s are 90, 90p into q pq minus 90pq, square of 5q is 25q square, then 180pq as it is. Now 81p square. Now see if any term having common variable. Yes, here pq and here also pq, that is minus 90pq and plus 180pq. So minus 90 and plus 80 gives plus minus 90 and plus 180 gives plus 90 pq as it is, 25 q square as it is. Now let us solve right hand side. 9p plus 5q square. So use identity, that is a plus b the whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is 9p square plus 2 9p plus 5q plus 5q whole square. Then square of 9p gives 81p square plus 2 5s are 10, 10 9s are 90, 90pq plus 5q square gives 25q square. So as see whether both the values are equal. Yes, they are same. So we can say that LHS equals to RHS. Now let us see sum number third. 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n the whole square plus 2mn equals to 16m square upon 9 plus 9 by 16 n square. Now we have to see whether left hand value of left hand side is equals to value of right hand side or not. So let us solve the left hand side first. So as it is already in bracket, to try to solve, write the value of this by applying the identity in a big bracket. So make a square of 4 by 3 m square minus multiply both the term, first term into last term by 2, that is 2 into 4 by 3m into 3 by 4n plus make a square of last term, that is 3 by 4n square plus 2mn as it is. Then square of 4 by 3m equals to 16 by 9m square minus see if any value is possible to cancel, you can cancel it. 4 and 4 will get cancelled, and 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and finally minus 2mn will left. Then square of 3 by 4n gives 9n upon 16n square, and 2mn as it is, so negative mn and positive will get cancelled, and what is left? 16 by n m square plus 9 by 16 n square. Now see whether the value are same. See whether they are same. Whatever the value given in right hand side, yes, both the values are same, so we can say that, write down over here the whatever the value we got, it is equals to RHS. So write down LHS equals to RHS. Now in the same, let us see sum number 4. 4pq plus 3q whole square minus 4pq minus 3q whole square equals to 48pq. Now dear student, it is one kind of a square minus b square. So as we all know, identity of a square and b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. So or you can apply the identity of a plus b the whole square separately and a minus b the whole square separately. So now here what I did, I had applied the identity of a plus b the whole square over here and identity of a minus b the whole square over here. So now let us start. So write down first the value of left hand side over here, that is 4pq plus 3a the whole square minus 4pq minus 3q the whole square. Now apply the identity for this, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square means 4pq the whole square plus 2 into first term into last term, then square of last term. Then here also square of first term minus 2 into first term into last term plus square of last term. Then square of 4pq is 16p square q square plus 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, p q into q is q square, and square of 3q is 9q square, and put minus sign as it is. Then square of 4pq is 16 p square q square, then 2 into 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 p q into q is q square plus square of 3q is 9q square. Then open this bracket, there will be a no change in sign, and while opening the second bracket there is a minus sign outside the bracket, so value of whatever the each term inside the bracket, while opening the bracket the sign will get changed. So 16 positive 16p square q square will become negative 16p square q square. Here positive 24p q square will become, here negative p 24p q square will become positive 24p q square, and positive 9q square will become negative 9q square. So see if any value possible to cancel. Positive 16p square q square and negative 16p square q square will get cancelled. 9q square and negative 9q square will get cancelled. What is left? 24pq negative p square and positive 24pq square. Negative 20 here positive p q square and positive 24p q square. So here both positive, so positive and positive you have to add because both having a common variable. So 24 plus 24 is 48 p q square. So see whether value is there, whether the value is similar to our right hand side. Yes, it is there. So we can say equals to right hand side, thus left hand side equals to right hand side. Now let us start sum number 5. A minus b into a plus b, b minus c into b plus c, c minus a into c plus a equals to 0. Now let us solve the left hand side first, that is a minus b and a plus b gives a square minus b square, that is write down over here a square minus b square. Then b minus c into b plus c gives b square minus c square, write it over here, and c minus a and c plus c gives c square minus a square. Which identity you have to apply? That is another identity, that is value identity of a square minus b square gives a plus b and a minus b. Then when you will open the bracket, here you will get a square minus b square minus c square minus a square, and see if anything possible to cancel. Positive a square and negative a square will get cancelled, negative b square positive b square will get cancelled, negative c square and positive c square will get cancelled. So finally you will get the value 0, and see it is there in right hand side. Yes, value of right hand sides are same, so write down equals to RHS. So we can say LHS equals to RHS. Let us start question number 6. Using identities, evaluate. Now we have to use identity and we have to evaluate the sum. 71 square. Now dear student, whenever the unit place unit digit is less than 5, so try to take the nearest to 10. So means here 71, nearest to 10 is 70. So make a addition of 70 plus 1, that is 70 plus 1 the whole square. If the value is 75, so you can take 70 plus 5 or 80 minus 5. If the value is more than 5, if the unit place is more than 5, so its nearest to 10 value will be 80. Okay, now let us start. So apply the identity, because as we all know that is a plus b the whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So write down a square, the value of a is 70 and value of b is 1. So square of first term plus 2 into first term into last term plus square of last term. Then square of 70 is 4900. Then 2 into 70 into 1 is 140 and square of 1 is 1. So when you will add, you will get 5041. Then next one, 99 square. So here the its nearest to 10 value is 100 only. So 100 minus 1 the whole square. Now apply this identity. Then square of first term minus 2 into first term into last term plus square of last term. Then square of 100 is 10,000. Then 2 into 100 is 200. Square of 1. So when you will subtract and add, you will get 9801. Then next one is 102. So its nearest to 10 value is 100 only. So 100 plus 2 the whole square. Then square of first term plus 2 into first term into last term plus square of last term. Then square of 100 is 10,000. 2 into 100 into 2 is 400. Square of 2 is 4. When you will add, you will get 10,404. Then 998. So its nearest value means nearest to 10 value is 1000. So 1000 minus 2 the whole square. Then square of first term, that is square of 1000. Then minus 2 into first term into last term plus square of last term. Then square of 1000 is how much? 10 lakh. Then 2 into 1000 into 2 is 4000 and square of 2 is 4. When you will do addition and subtraction, you will get 9,96,004. Then 5.2. So it is also nearest, its nearest to 10 value is 5. So 5 plus 0.2, then 5 plus 0.2, then make a square of first term, that is 5, and multiply first term and last term with 2. 2 into first term into last term plus square of last term. The square of 5 is 25. 2 into 5 into 0.2 is 2 into 5 into 0.2 is 2 only, and the square of 0.2 is 0.04. So when we will add, that is 25 plus 2 is 27 plus 0.04, so you will get 27.04. Then the next one is 297 into 303. Now dear student, here its nearest to 10 value is 300 only. So 300 minus 3 and its nearest value is 300 only. So means because unit place is 3, so its nearest to 10 value is 300 only. The 300 you have to add 3 to it. So 300 plus 3. Now as we observe that both the bracket have common term, but only there is a differences of sign, that is a minus b and a plus b. So which identity you have to apply? That is a square minus b square. So make a square of 300 and square of 3. The square of 300 is 90,000 and square of 3 is 9. So when you will subtract, so you will get 89,991. Then next one, 78 into 82. Its nearest to 10 value is 80, so 80 minus 2, and its nearest to 10 value is 80, so 80 plus 2. So here also both the bracket, both the expression have a common variable, only there is a sign common term, and only there is a differences of sign. So make a square of 80 and make a square of 2, that is 80 square minus 2 square. The square of 80 is 6400 and square of 2 is 4. When you will do subtraction, you will get 6396. Then the next one is 8.9 square. So its nearest to 10 value is 9, so 9 minus 0.1, because here you have to subtract, not to add. You can't do 8 plus 0.9 because its nearest to 100 value is 9, so 9 minus 0.1. So now apply the identity, that is a minus b the whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So square of 9, that is square of first term, multiply both the term with 2, that is minus 2 into 9 into 0.1 plus 0.1 the whole square. Then square of 9 is 81. Then multiply 2 into 9 into 0.1, you will get 1.8. Then square of 0.1 is 0.01. When you will add, that is 81 plus 0.01 and subtract 1.8 from it, you will get 79.21. Then Another one is sum number 9, 10.5 into 9.5. Now dear student, here either you can do 11 minus 0.5, or because it is a 5, either you can do addition or subtraction. So what I did, I had taken 10 plus 0.5 and 10 minus 0.5 gives 9.5. Now here also both the expressions, both the bracket have same value, same term, but only there is a difference of sign. So that is which identity? A minus b and a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So here make a square of 10 and make a square of 0.5. So square of 10 is 100 and square of 0.5 is 0.25. When we will do subtraction, so 99.75. But here, dear student, here in textbook, instead of 10.5, it is given 1.05. So there is a differences in answer. There is a misprint in textbook. Let us start question number 7 using this identity. They are talking about a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Whatever sum we did in our previous question, the same value, same identity you have to apply over here. Now the first sum is 51 square minus 49 square. Now dear student, its nearest to 10 value is 50 only, so 50 plus 1 do it 50 plus 1, and its nearest to 10 value is 50 only, that is 50 minus 1, the whole square. This square will come as it is. Then what I did, I had solved this value by putting the identity and this value also through identity. So as it is already in bracket, I had applied a big bracket to solve this value by the identity, that is square of first term plus 2 into first term into last term plus square of last term. The square of first term, that is square of 50 is 2500 plus 250 is 100 and square of 1 is 1. So when you will add, that is 2500 plus 100 plus 1. So keep as it is and see whether in our next whether the value are same or not. The value beside it means now again by applying the identity, solve the value, that is put minus sign as it is, that is square of first term minus 2 into first term into last term plus square of first term. Then square of 50 is 2500, 2 into 50 is 100, that is negative into positive negative, and square of 1 is 1. Then open the bracket. Here there will be a no change in sign because there is a no minus sign outside the bracket, but while opening the second bracket, there is a sign out, negative sign outside the bracket, to positive, whatever the value inside the bracket will get change, means the value sign, whatever the sign in the value inside the bracket will get changed, means positive 2500 will become negative, negative 100 will become positive, and positive 1 will become negative. So see if any value possible to cancel. Here it is positive 2500 and negative 2500, it will get cancelled, and positive 1 and negative 1 will get cancelled. So what is left? 100 plus 100, so gives 200. Or same sum we can apply with another identity. See here, both square given. So what I did, consider this as a square and this as a b square. So what we used to do, that is a plus b and a minus b. So 51 plus 49 is 100 and 51 minus 49 is 2. So 100 into 2 is 200. So now we will apply this identity as it is, it will save your time. So now the next one is 1.02 the whole square minus 0.98 the whole square. So again applied, that is consider this as a, consider this as a b, that is a square minus b square gives a plus b and a minus b. So make a sum of the both, that is 1.02 plus 0.98 and 1.02 minus 0.98, that is a plus b and a minus b. So when you will add 1.02 plus 0.98, you will get 2.0, and when you will add 1.02 minus, when you will subtract 0.98 from 1.02, you will get 0.04. So when you will multiply, you will get 0.08. Now the next one is 153 square minus 147 square. So a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b, that is 153 plus 147 and 153 minus 147. When you will add, you will get 300. When you will subtract, you will get 6. When you will multiply, you will get 1800. Now the next one is 12.1 square minus 7.9 square. So that is a square, value of a square, and value of b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. So when you will add 12.1 plus 7.9, you will get 20, and when you will subtract 7.9 from 12.1, you will get 4.2. When you will multiply, you will get 84. Now let us see question number 8. Using x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Now dear student, you have to apply this identity. It's very simple to memorize. See here, your x is common in both the bracket. One means one term of both the expression, that is first expression and second expression, are common, and the second term of both the expression are different. So what we need to do is just make a square of whatever the term is common. Here x is common, to make a square of it. Then whatever the common value is there, that value you have to multiply with both the uncommon term, sum of uncommon term. So means you have to add the value whatever the uncommon term are there, that is a plus b is uncommon, add it and multiply with x which is common, and plus multiply both the uncommon term. Here one time you have to add and here one time you have to multiply. Now let us start. Now first sum is 103 into 104. So here what you will do? 3 is nearest to 10 value of 3 is 10 only. The nearest value will be 100. So 100 plus 3, here also 100 plus 4. Here what is common? 100. So make a square of 100. Then you have to multiply this 100 with both the sum of uncommon term, that is 3 plus 4 into 100. Plus you have to multiply both the uncommon term, that is 3 into 4. Then square of 100 is 10,000. Then 3 plus 4 is 7, and 7 into 100 is 700, and 3 4s are 12. When you will make a sum of 10,712, you will get 10,712. Now let us see the next one. 5.1 into 5.2, its nearest to 10 value is 5. So 5 plus 0.1 into 5 plus 0.2. Your common value is 5, so make a square of it. Plus uncommon term is 0.1 and 0.2, so make a sum of it and multiply 5 to it. See here. Plus uncommon term is 0.1 and 0.2, make a multiple of it here. Now square of 5 is 25. Sum of 0.1 and 0.2 is 0.3. Multiply 5 to it, you will get 1.5, and multiple of 0.1 and 0.2 is 0.02. So when you will make a sum of 25 plus 1.5 plus 0.02, so you will get 26.52. Now the next one is 103 into 98. Its nearest to 10 value is 100, that is 100 plus 3, and its nearest to 100 value is, nearest to 10 value is 100 only. So 100 minus 2. Here common term is, common value is 100, so make a square of it. Uncommon terms are 3 and 2. So here adding positive 3 and negative 2, multiply 100 to it, and plus multiple of 3 into negative 2. So dear students, square of 100 is 10,000. Sum of positive 3 and negative 2 is 1 only, so 1 into 100, and multiple of 3 into negative 2 is negative 6. So 100 is 100. When you will make a sum of 1000 plus 100, so you will get 10,100 minus 6, so you will get 10,098. Now the next sum is 9.7 into 9.8. Here common term, here nearest to 10 value of 9.7 is 10 only, so 10 minus 0.3, and here also nearest to 10 value is 10 only, so 10 minus 0.2, you will get 9.8. Now common terms in both the expression are 10, to make a square of 10, plus sum of negative 0.3 and negative 0.2 into 10, plus multiple of negative 0.3 into negative 0.2. Now square of 10 is 100, and sum of negative 0.3 and negative 0.2 gives negative 0.5. When you will multiply 10 to it, you will get negative 5, and multiple of and the product of 0.3 and 0.2 gives 0.06. Now when you will subtract 5 from 100, you will get 95, and 95 plus 0.06 give 95.06.